In previous video I've created my own LeftWm, ArcoLinuxWM, with my own repo called Nemesis repo on github.com/ArcoLinux. And it has 4 icons and a wallpaper package in there, but it could have containing tons of kernels, tons of drivers, tons of icons and themes, right? It grows, as you see on the ArcoLinux repo. So we got an ISO. If we can build it, you can build it, right? If I can build it, you can build it. That's what I say. And we got ourselves an ArcoLinuxB, but a special kind of ArcoLinuxB with our repo, right? Your repo. That's why we teach you that. Let's see if we can clean up some stuff here. That can be gone. Okay, and then clone. This is the B LeftWm, but with a custom, my personal repo. That's it. Next, close. Where is it? It's gonna be in ArcoLinuxB out. Cool. Just built. Open. Start. Go. I believe we can see the result already inside LeftWm in the live environment. And then we know it's just going to be okay. If we install it, it's just going to be there. Because I told him to install a package on the ISO. So here, what you see is what you get. And if we quit this and a Control T and we ask for an update, so a update works as well, then you see, oh wow, so we can add our own repo. You create packages and with yay or of Tryson, and the result copy paste push to your repo. It's there at the fingers. Wow. At the fingertips. If you type in Azerty, sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux, what I've put on there are a few icon themes that I've created. Candy something. Right? You don't have those on ArcoLinux. I've made them myself. So ArcGit, ArcMin Gray, etc. and Tela. Well, Tela we have, but all the others are there just for you to use. Voila, that's taken care of. So as you see, right, it works. You can add your own repository, and let's see, Alex appearance, let's see if the icon theme is installed. Wow, it's there, right? It's there. So that's the fun. I can immediately install all kinds of things inside the GitHub of any B or XL or XS or XSLTS or D. It's gonna be there, and it will, well, make me more flexible, right? We can add any of the tools. Remove, we could always remove, but now we can add things to it, things that we like immediately on the ISO image. So it's going to be copy pasted over, and we never actually have to go into these choices which Calamares provides us, because we've made our choices, right? We don't have to go in here anymore, go all over all these detailed options. You just pick, handpick, cherry pick, whatever you like. Use the easy installation from now on, because everything's gonna be on the ISO, like really everything. Just editing the packages, x86, 64, adding more to it, packages that are on your repo, that not on our repo. It's all possible, and that's what we want to provide you. Freedom, possibility, flexibility, modularity, whatever you want to call it. It's power. All right, cheers.